Okay, so I'm on number 19. Again, hopefully you did try the others. So on number 19, again, I am going to do my zeros. So I'm going to start with x being 0 and then the y being 0. You can do those in any order. But my first is x. If x is 0, then that's what's left. Negative 3 divided by negative 3 is 1. If my y is 0, I'm going to divide both sides by 2, and I get a negative 3/2, and that is actually a negative 1.5. Okay, and then let's do the next one. So if I let x be 0, oops, that's going to give me a negative 2. And if y is 0, I get a negative 6. Okay. So let's graph. So I have 0, 1. I have negative 1.5, 0. And my line should be dotted. Okay. Now, I'm going to test for 0, 0. So this is 2 times 0 minus 3 times 0. And so what you'll notice on standard form, this side will always be 0. So is 0 less than a negative 3? That is a no. Okay, that's a no. So the yes is on the other side. Okay, my next one, I'm going to do 0, negative 2, negative 6, 0. Okay, again, that's going to go just a little bit off the graph. And that's okay if it's just a little bit. If it goes too much, I don't want you doing a lot. You go to y equals mx plus b, slope-intercept form. Now, again, this is dotted. Okay, and then I'm going to test for 0, 0. So I'm going to put a 0 here and there. So 0 is less than a negative 6. Again, that is a no. So this is a no also. So I'm going to, yes would be the other side. Okay. And again, this come all the way down to there. So the only place that I have both is this little bitty v over here. Okay. So let me run through. I'm going to just go down to 21. We'll go through one more of these just because of time, and hope that this makes sense to you. So first one, again, I'm going to do my zeros. So if x is 0, divide both sides by a negative 1, because remember there's a 1 there. So that would be 1. If y is 0, I would divide both sides by 4. That would be a negative 1/4. Okay? So I'm at 0, 1, and a negative 1/4, 0. Okay? And back to my equation, this is just a greater than, so I'm going to dot my line. And now I'm going to test 0, 0. Okay, so 4 times 0 minus 0, negative 1. So 0 is greater than a negative 1. Is that true? Yes, it is. Okay, so this is yes. So I'm going to shade over here. Okay. My next one is if x is 0, then y would be a negative 2. And if y is 0, x is 2. So 0, negative 2, 2, 0. And if you look at that, you can see I actually have a slope of 1, so if I needed to, I could come on down and get some more points. Okay. And again, it's going to be a dotted line. Okay, and then I'm going to test 0, 0. Something wasn't looking right here, so that's why I was pausing there. So 0 less than 2. And that is true. So again, this is a yes. So this is going to shade this way. Okay, and if you look, the only place that these two are the same is going to be in here. Okay, in between there. Okay, so that is some of those, just so you see how they work. Again, please do not hesitate to ask me any questions, or if you need some more help, please come in.